province of Pakistan. Pitched battles can be seen here between the people of Sindh and the Pakistani state. Police opened fire on protesters, killing at least 2 of them. Many were injured. Now see this. Plumes of smoke billowing out after protesters set the house of Sindh's Home Minister Ziaul Hasan Lanjar on fire. Look at how his house was vandalized by angry protesters earlier. And see how this man at the Home Minister's house is spraying bullets as protesters gather outside. Angry protesters blocked highways and torched trucks and tankers in Sindh. So why is Pakistan's Sindh on the boil?